Proper nail prep ensures a clean, dry nail plate to help promote the best surface adhesion and longevity. Trim nails if needed and shape as desired with a 240 grit file. Gently glide a cuticle pusher along the nail plate, pushing back the proximal fold and loosening cuticle from the nail plate. Fine safety cuticle prep bits and an extra fine diamond bit are both ideal for removing cuticle for gel color and lacquer surfaces. When working with sculpting gels and acrylics, cuticle prep can be done with a medium grit diamond bit. Place the machine in the forward position and turn the speed to a low speed. Secure the finger and nail between your thumb and index finger. Place the bit at the center of the cuticle line and guide the bit along the nail from right to left, working in one direction. Turn the finger sideways, gently pulling back the fold and keeping the bit parallel to the nail plate. Then guide the bit around the cuticle corner and down the sidewalls. Repeat this on all of the nails. When working from the left side of the nail to the right side of the nail, switch the control to reverse and set the speed on low. Roll the finger to the left, pull back the proximal fold, and keep the bit parallel to the nail, guiding the bit in one direction from left to right. With the fine bit on low speed, gently smooth the skin and open up the cuticle line by guiding the bit in one direction away from the nail. Switch the bit to a medium grit and keep it a low speed. Keep the bit parallel to the nail and guide the bit from the right sidewall to the left to cover the entire nail surface. Fold a lint-free nail wipe to target just the nail, and then saturate the nail wipe with NAS 99 cleansing solution. Gently pull back the sidewalls and scrub the nail plate to cleanse and remove any dust and debris. If any dry bits of dead skin remain, use a cuticle nipper to trim loose bits away. Bond-Aid is a pH balancing agent that preps the nail's surface for better adhesion. Apply a coat of Bond-Aid pH balancing agent to the nails and allow it to dry.